Yeah.
Daddy.
Yes.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I am alone.
Let's walk over there on that side. Yeah, let's go. So this is just a test recording to see how the hands-free microphone works. So let's just see how it works and is there anything clear or not. Assalamualaikum. So we're just gonna test this and see if it gets any better. I mean, if you want to hear the other. So right now, this is the sound recorded from the Sony NEX5n's microphones, and now you can hear me from the hands-free. We got Zan walking with his scooty. What's up, Zan? You want to say something? No, I'm saying, do you want to say something? Get on the scooty. Get on the scooty. You just have to get on it and push it. Come on, you know how to do it, right? Anyway, so just testing this audio system on the camera to see if it works any better. Okay. Normally, when it's a lot of wind, there's not too much cancellation. So let's see if the hands-free can actually do a better job at. So right now there's a lot of wind blowing. I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, there's plenty of wind blowing right now. So let's see if that gets any better. Oh wow, I just spotted an eagle's nest. I think that's an eagle's nest right up there. I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, there's plenty of wind blowing right now. So let's see if that gets any better. Oh wow, I just spotted an eagle's nest. I think that's an eagle's nest right up there. हाँ जी, ईगल का नेस्ट दिखा है और हम हिल पार्क में हैं. इंटरेस्टिंग लगा है माशाल्लाह से, but ये can be even better. Oh, Jordan, I mean Zan. Zan is just coming on Scooty. There it goes. Wow, lots of scratches on it. Okay, so this is another test number 2 off the audio system. This is a Bluetooth hands-free. I got it from Minnesota. Let's see what the voice quality is like. Okay, so I'm just testing that right now. And that's what Zen is up to. What is Rayon saying? Yeah. Oh. Okay. There, Round's just trying out the windscreen wiper. Round, we have a remote control car here. You want to see it? Somebody has a remote control car here. It's right here. You have to get out of the car to see it. Look at it, Round. You want to? Here comes my son. He's enjoying riding the scooty. There we go. Yeah. There it is. Can you see it, man? Right there.